Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best locking hubs is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked components for four-wheel drive vehicles, especially if you frequently venture off-road. This upgrade dramatically improves fuel efficiency, reduces wear and tear on drivetrain components, and enhances overall vehicle handling by disconnecting the front axle when not needed, while providing the option to engage it for superior traction in challenging conditions. Today, we will delve into the world of locking hubs, exploring their functionalities, benefits, and helping you choose the perfect set for your 4x4 adventures. Number 5. Mile Marker 449 SS Hubs. Upgrade your 4x4 with the Mile Marker 449 SS Premium Locking Hubs. These hubs give you reliable, manual engagement of your four-wheel drive. They're built to last with heavy-duty stainless steel. This ensures they'll stay locked in, even under tough conditions. Installation is a breeze. Everything you need, including springs, clips, and a wrench, comes in the box. These hubs are designed for 30-spline axles. Please check our fitment guide to ensure compatibility with your vehicle. You get a pair of hubs, ready to enhance your off-road adventures. A nut kit may be required if converting from automatic hubs. We stand behind our product. These hubs come with a limited lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind. What we like. It's built to last a lifetime with heavy-duty stainless steel. If you need reliable 4WD and durability, this is the perfect choice for extreme off-road adventures. This ensures your vehicle is ready for the toughest challenges, lasting through all weather and terrain. What people say. These are solid, an obvious upgrade to the existing plastic-filled lockers that came on these trucks. Installation was cake. It took more time to remove the seized and broken OEM unit than it did to clean out the hub and slide these into place. The way these are designed, you can see the internals and how everything works, and you'll know you've made the right choice here. Number 4. Mile Marker 104 Locking Hubs. Introducing Mile Marker 104 Locking Hubs. They're built to withstand the most extreme off-road conditions, ensuring reliable performance when you need it most. These hubs allow for manual four-wheel drive engagement, giving you superior control and traction on any terrain. Get ready to conquer any challenge. Engineered with precision and rigorously tested, these hubs deliver unmatched strength and performance for your truck or SUV. They're ready for anything you throw at them. These hubs are designed to endure all types of weather and terrain. They're a long-term investment in your vehicle's off-road capabilities. Your purchase is protected by Mile Marker's 1-year warranty against defects in materials and workmanship. Drive with confidence, knowing you're covered. These hubs are compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including classic Jeep Cherokee, Gladiator, Wagoneer models, and various pickup trucks from 1969 to 1991. Check the compatibility list to see if they fit your vehicle. What we like. This is designed for extreme off-road conditions and is incredibly durable and reliable. If you frequently tackle tough terrains and demand peak performance, this is your ideal option. It's engineered for strength and tested to withstand the most challenging situations. What people say. Installation took about 5 minutes per side. Very nice quality with the castings and machining, and they look nice and clean in stainless steel. Fit perfectly on my 1995 K20. Used it a lot on the hunt and worked great. Fits perfectly on my 91 F-150. Easy install, good quality construction. Number 3. Alloy USA Axle Locking Hub Kit. Upgrade your Ford Ranger or Mazda B-Series with Alloy USA's Premium Axle Locking Hub Kit. It's designed for enhanced 4WD performance and improved fuel economy. These hubs are made from corrosion and impact-resistant nodular iron, built to withstand tough conditions. They're designed for long-lasting performance. Experience better traction and control on and off-road. It provides superior 4WD performance when you need it most. By reducing drivetrain drag, these hubs contribute to better fuel efficiency. Save money at the pump with this simple upgrade. This kit is designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. Get it installed quickly and easily. This kit is specifically designed for Ford Rangers and Mazda B-Series trucks from 1998 to 2008. Check your vehicle's specifications to ensure compatibility. What we like. It offers superior corrosion and impact resistance for long-lasting performance. If you're looking for an easy-to-install upgrade that improves fuel economy and 4WD performance, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those seeking a simple yet effective solution. What people say. Materials seem basically identical, clip design is slightly different, with rugged ridge more like OEM. The big difference is in the machining. Rugged ridge went right on, same as reinstalling the OEM hubs, and worked great. They worked good and were easy to install. Fitting the manual hubs on was pretty straightforward, just had to line everything up right. Fit very snug, machined really good. One of the big pluses is, on my Ranger the hubs that cover the wheel lug nuts, fit right over the manual lockout hubs as well, protecting them from the elements. Number 2. Yukon Spin-Free Hub Kit. Tired of expensive factory unit bearing repairs? This kit replaces them with a more durable and economical design. Enjoy increased fuel efficiency and easier maintenance. It replaces your vulnerable factory unit bearings with stronger tapered bearings and races. This means fewer breakdowns and less time in the shop. This superior design significantly improves your gas mileage. Save money at the pump with this easy upgrade. It comes with low-profile Yukon Hardcore Premium locking hubs, giving you more control over your 4WD system. Enjoy improved on- and off-road performance. Everything you need is included: new wheel hubs, spindles, axles, premium locking hubs, bearings, seals, and all the necessary hardware for installation. It's a complete solution. This kit is designed for easy installation, saving you time and money on labor costs. Get back on the road quickly and easily. This kit is specifically designed for 2000 to 2008 Dodge trucks with Dana 60 and 9.25 front axles and single rear wheels. Ensure a perfect fit for your vehicle. What we like. It's a complete conversion kit that improves fuel efficiency and includes premium locking hubs. If you want to upgrade your existing system for better gas mileage and enhanced drivability, this kit is a smart investment. It offers a significant increase in miles per gallon and superior performance. What people say. This kit replaces the unit bearings with standard tapered bearings that are field serviceable. The second big deal for me are the lockout hubs. One of the wonderful things about a 4x4 is low range in the transfer case. For backing up heavy loads or tight maneuvering, the lower gearing gives greater control. This has to be one of the best made kits you can buy. The machine work is beautiful, the install was easy, the instructions are well written and has lots of diagrams and photos. Altogether the hubs work great. Fairly easy install. Too low is great when you don't need all fours crank and run a lot heavy loads on very hill-ridden backcountry roads. They're rebuildable. Number 1. MotorbyMotor Auto Locking Hubs. Upgrade your 4WD vehicle with our high-quality auto locking hubs. They're designed for a long service life and easy installation. These hubs are perfect for a range of Ford trucks and SUVs, including the F-250, F-350, F-450, F-550 Super Duty, Excursion, Expedition, and Lincoln Navigator models from 1999 to 2005. They're a direct replacement for your existing parts. It effectively restores four-wheel drive functionality to your vehicle. Experience precise engagement and disengagement of your front wheels. Built from high-grade, wear-resistant materials, it ensures a long lifespan. These hubs are built to last. Unlocking the hubs for normal road use improves fuel efficiency, reduces wear on the front differential, and provides a quieter, smoother ride. It also reduces wear on other drivetrain components. We stand behind our product with a 3-year warranty. We offer support for replacements, returns, and refunds. What we like. It's an automatic locking hub that offers smooth and precise engagement and disengagement. If you value convenience and a worry-free experience with a long warranty, this is the right choice. It's designed for ease of use and provides long-lasting performance with a 3-year warranty. What people say. These made my 4x4 work again. Delivered fast and quality made. Came quickly and works great, good fit, easy to install. Installed on a 2002 F254WD 7.3L Super Duty. Mechanic did not have any issues. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.